Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we were checking the tables related to inventory management. In today's video we would be checking the tables for invoice verification. So these are the tables that we would check. So let's start. So the transaction, as you know, is SE11 or SE16N, and the first table, which is very important, is RSEG. So if I check, type this table here, I go to display. So this is the incoming invoice and this is the item details of the invoice. So we have the accounting document number, the year, we have the PO, because with reference to PO we have to post an invoice. So we have the PO number, the item of the PO, the sequential number of the account assignment. If we scroll down, we have the material number, valuation area, valuation type, company code, plant, the amount in document currency, and other important details. Next we could see RBKP. So this is also a very important table. So I click on this icon here, I paste this table here and I would check it. So this is the header document of the invoice receipt. So we have the client, the document number of the invoice, the fiscal year, the invoice header data. So these are key fields. We also have document type, the posting date, the document date, the transaction code, the time of entry, the reference document number, company code, currency key, exchange rate, and other important fields. Next up is RBWS. So if we check this, so I click on this icon, I type the table name here, and this is the withholding tax information of incoming invoice. So the tax information, the withholding tax information can be viewed for the invoice via this table. So we have the client and the document number here, we have the fiscal year, these are key fields. We also have the grouping key, the withholding tax code, withholding tax base amount, withholding tax amount, and if you scroll down, so we have all the information related to withholding tax. Next is this table, it is RBKPB. So if I click on this icon, I type the the table here, development object. Okay, so it's fine. So this is the invoice header data. So this is the invoice document header because it's coming from RBKP. So we have information about fiscal year, document, and the item details are there. Sales tax, information about sales tax, invoice verification date, and other important fields. So if you want to check the blocked invoices, so this is the table. So if I type it here, so it's RBKP underscore blocked. So I enter this. So we can check the blocked invoices for logistics invoice verification. So we have the logistics payment block, company code, fiscal year, the invoice document number is there. If you scroll down, we have the posting date, purchasing group, and the due date of the invoice. Now if you want to check global valuation type, so this is the data. So I click on this icon, I enter this table here. So this is the global valuation type. So we have the client valuation type, the account category reference, the external purchase orders allowed, internal purchase orders allowed fields. Next we have the taxes table. So if you want to see the taxes of the incoming invoice, we can go to this table. I type it here. So this is the taxes information. So we have the taxes information, the client, the document number, physical year, tax code is there. If we scroll down, we have the tax of the incoming invoice, the tax amount in document currency. If you scroll down, we have the sales tax, the tax jurisdiction, and other important fields. Lastly, if you want to see the conditions of the invoice, this is the table that we have to check. So I click on this icon again, I type the field the table. I type the table. It's RBDIFFKO. So RBDIFFKO. So if I enter, it's the conditions of the invoice verification. So we have the client, the document number of the invoice, document item, the number of the condition item number is there. If you scroll down, we have the condition record number, the condition type, the condition counter, we have currency key, we have the pricing unit and other important fields. So these were the tables related to invoice control. So that is all in this video. If you got value from this video, do like, comment and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, share them in the comment section below. Till we meet again next time, you all take care and goodbye.